Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Usman Beg and I am here for Wordy and I will be teaching you Arabic. Today we will be learning about Tanqeen wa Ta'reef in Arabic. We know that there are common nouns and proper nouns in every language. So how do we identify a common noun or a proper noun in Arabic? So we will look into it today. Let's get started. Ta'reef means a word being a proper noun, ismul ma'rifa, proper noun, and tanqeen means a word being a common noun, ismul nakira. Now these words you see as an example are all common nouns. Rajulun means a man, farasun means a horse, jamalun means a camel, ma'un means a water, some water. Now, what all these common nouns have one thing in common, that they have the mean of Dhamma at the last letter. Lam has the mean of Dhamma, Sin, Lam, and Hamza. They all have the mean of Dhamma. So that is how we identify a common noun in Arabic. Now, to convert these common nouns into proper nouns, we put Lam al-Ta'reef at the beginning of the word, which is al. So, Rajulun with al becomes ar-rajulu, farasun becomes al-farasu, jamalun becomes al-jamalu, and ma'un becomes al-ma'u. Now, these words you see, all these words have one thing in common, that they have one dhamma at the last letter, while common nouns had the mean of dhamma, two dhammas at the last letter. Now here's a question: do all the proper nouns have the one dhamma at the last letter? No, there is an exception to it. Ismun alam are those nouns which are used as the names of certain persons. For example, Zaidun, Tahirun, Muhammadun. Now all these three words are nouns. If they are used as names of certain persons, then they will be proper nouns and they will be read with the mean of dhamma at the end. Now moving on with the pronunciation, let's do the meaning of these proper nouns. This was a man, so this is the man in English, the horse, the camel, or the water. Now moving on with the pronunciation of Lam al-Ta'reef in a sentence or in a phrase. How do we pronounce it? How do Arabs read it or pronounce it? Let's look into that. But before going into that, you should know that this Hamza of Lam al-Ta'reef is called Hamzatul Wasl. Now, Hamzatul Wasl is a Hamza which is skipped when we say it in a word, like Babul Baiti Maftuhun. Now this sound of Ba, when I pronounced it, was connected directly to La. So it was Babul Baiti Maftuhun. Ba means door, Bait means house, Maftuh means opened. Babul Baiti Maftuhun, the door of the house is open. Now Ja'a Minal Baiti. Now there are few examples which like when Hamzatul Wasl, before Hamzatul Wasl there is a silent letter. Ja'a minal bayti. Now this word min, noon is normally silent with this symbol jazm. So it's Ja'a minal bayti means he came from the house. Noon is connected to lam and it has a fatha on it. And in the case of an, Ja'a anil yamini, he came from the right side. It means he came from the right side, and noon has kasra under it, which is connected directly to lam. Now, in the case if Lam al-Ta'reef has tanween of dhamma or any tanween before it, here musharrafun lil hadir means nil hadir, musharrafu nil hadir. It was musharrafun al hadir. Now the sound of the noon in tanween is placed here, like it's un in un. There is a sound of noon in it, so it's placed under here. Musharrafu nil hadir. It means present musharraf or. Alright, that is it for today. I will be seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, place it in the comments. Thank you.